Given are the three sets E, F or G, all are finite. Now it is given that E is equal to E intersection F minus F intersection G. See, this is this is set E, this is set F, and this is set G, and this is universe of discuss. So E intersection F will be in red, E intersection F will be this thing, red shade. F intersection G will be the green shade, green area. Now when we subtract green area from the red area, we will be left with only this much, dark it by black. This will be the X. Now I will draw Y, again taking set E, set F, set G, universe. Now Y is equal to E minus E intersection G minus E minus F. So see, E intersection G is this area, that is red. E minus E intersection G, this is whole E. When we subtract red area from complete E, I am denoting it with green area. E minus E intersection G is green area, that is this one. Yes. Now E minus F. E minus F I will show with black. E minus F means subtract from E the portion of F. This is E and this is the portion of F. So I will denote it by red dot. This is the E minus F. Area with red dot are E minus F. Now from green area I am subtracting red dot. I will be getting only this much area. See, this is the red dot area from this area and this is green area. So we are getting this area, hence this is Y. From the figure it is clear that X is equal to Y.